If you have a Bose speaker that will randomly just power down or shut off while you're using it, so let's say I'm using my iPhone or my Samsung Galaxy and I'm listening to music and all of a sudden it just powers off and you're not exactly sure why it's doing it, could be multiple things. If you haven't restarted it in a while, go ahead and restart your Sony speaker by just holding down the power button for 5 seconds and then power it back on and restart it. See if that will work. Now, if you have not done a factory reset on the Bose speaker, which most likely you haven't, a lot of times that will freshen it up and make it stop doing that error. To do that, what you're going to do is power it on and hold down the Bluetooth button, and you're going to hold down the minus button for 5 seconds until it turns off, and then keep holding it down for another 5 seconds. So you're going to hold both down like this. It's off. I'm still holding down both the Bluetooth button and the negative button for 5 seconds, and then I want to let go and then power it back on, then see if it keeps shutting down while you're playing it. One thing you want to do, of course, is make sure it's got plenty of battery power. If you haven't used it in a while, it could be that your battery is powering down. Go ahead and make sure that it is getting power with your power cord. You might want to switch up to use a different USB-C, which is what the Sony Bluetooth uses. Get you a different cord and see if that's the issue. You might have a kink in your cord. Try a different power source. So if you've been using a specific USB port on your laptop or computer, try a different USB port, or preferably go ahead and plug it into a wall like this. And you might even want to keep it plugged in while you're using it. You might want to get a longer cord, like this one is 10 feet. All right, and keep it plugged in. And a lot of times that will fix the issue. Another thing is it overheating and get ventilation. See if it's hot to the touch. If so, make sure it's not in direct sunlight. So let's say you have it by a window. It's very easy for these to get overheated. Or if you have it in the car and then the sun's beating down on it, put it in a more shaded area. And if you want to, you could actually use a fan, little small portable fan that's blowing on it, and it'll go into these vents. It'll help it from overheating, and a lot of times that will fix the issue. I'm pretty confident that one of these will fix the issue. Go ahead and restart your iPhone or your Android phone as well, and make sure that there's nothing interfering. The phone's interfering with the speaker. Like if you have it on airplane mode, just check the settings. All right, and then in the comment section, tell me what model Sony that you have. This is an SRS-XB 13. Let me know what model that you have, and if one of these troubleshooting tricks did work, let me know which one in the comment section.